Alright, I want to see if this 1 minute CISD holds. If it doesn't, then we can expect down to midnight open. Let's see what you got here. Not bad. That's good. I think I have around the same idea as you. I had to do something on my phone, I just can't remember what it was. I have no idea. Maybe. I'm going to the hospital today, so we'll have to see. But if I have enough time, I think I want to. I think I need to get to crunch, because I haven't been to the gym in the past, like, 2 to 3 days. Just some BS again. They just need to see me. It'll be all good though. After that though, shoot. Yeah, never mind, we should be good. This doesn't look bad. I haven't done my analysis fully yet, so I gotta do this real quick. Very nice. Нет, а русский. Я живу в Владивостоке. А тебе? Здравствуйте, братан. Yeah, I'm kind of getting more towards being bullish. Did we run into the daily imbalance yet? Yeah, we already have. We kind of hit our draw on liquidity for the week. Perfect. It's been nailed. I want to see... I'm kind of expecting us to have an up-close candle here. I want to see the bodies respect it initially. So I'm really bullish. I'm expecting all this we're inside of right now to be a wick. Oh yeah. Just get the essentials. The essentials will kind of take care of that for you. And we only really have baby FOMC today, so I think we're fine. In terms of like high impact news. I wish there was some sort of high probability key level that I can go off of right now, but there isn't any. Usually I try to align Not really anything I'm too fond of. Maybe. No. Yeah. Higher time frame says bullish though, in my opinion. Lower time frame says that this is just manipulation below midnight open. Or no, this is, honestly, I'm thinking this is like AMD. Accumulation up here, manipulation lower, distribution higher. I don't like trying to fight the trend, but I really think that that's what's going to happen. I think we have a really good chance of it happening here. The standard deviation aligns pretty suspiciously with some confluences up here, but I'll be waiting. We can probably find something off of a macro. Alright, midnight open sweep. Let's see how this goes. Let's see how this goes. Manipulation to midnight open. We would need to enter off of key times. We need good alignment with standard deviation. That's something I always look for. I mean, it is inside of standard deviation, but I need way more confirmation. We can BPR this, and that might be good. If it was inside of macro, I'd look for a long like this with SMT at the lows. I'm looking at it, and we do actually have SMT at the lows. No BPR, just inversion, which isn't really convincing to me. But we're about to enter macro. This is the first presented gap, right? Yeah, I'm confident. Opening range gap, low, EQ, and high. I'm going to go off of a 70% chance that this is manipulation, and we're going to distribute higher. At the very least, I want to see back up into the new day opening gap. It's making me extremely bullish. I just don't feel locked in today. It's just not really too good. More sequential SMT at the lows. This is mostly stacking up nicely. Stick and destroy. Net. Alright, 45. Let's see how the price is gonna react. We don't have to trade every day, but it'd be nice if we could. Probably not. If I'm being completely honest, I don't think we're gonna trade. I'm thinking about one of the 2024 lectures, but in the instance I was learning from, it was bullish. So we don't really want to try lying when price is doing this. Same thing with shorting. We don't really want to be shorting. I will be looking for this though, for a short. Yeah, of course. Feeling a little bit under the weather too. Shoot, I gotta figure out how to register a title at the DMV. Oh. I know what to do now. Huh? Oh, hello, Strizzy. I flipped it around. My chart got broken. This messy around. You're gonna get a middle finger flube. Okay. jeez, this is so bad. I'm not even gonna lie, guys. We might just take today off. Or, no, I can't come back. Maybe I can come back for the PM. After my doctor's appointment, I might be able to come back and we could spin back on PM. Otherwise, I don't think we want to waste time just sitting here doing nothing. I am not on Twitter. I am absolutely not on Twitter. If someone's messaging you being me on Twitter, I'm not on Twitter. Yo, what's up, Bakura? What's up? No, I did not. I'm thinking about avoiding today, honestly. I don't really think I'm gonna trade today. Preserve my capital. Or, okay, what if we just short? I'm kidding. If we just short, like right now, boom, I press the short button. No stop loss. Targeted $1,000. So long. Yeah, I was heavily long buys today too. We would be down. How much? We'd be down $300 right now if we just press short at that low. Now we down $440. 440 max drawdown on my account would be 2,000. Yeah, I'm glad. Always wait for confirmations. Just did that. Be sure you get free profit, bro. Jeez. I gotta get my DL in. What the F? Oh, bang! 1K right there. Woohoo. I didn't even realize. Keep dumping. Okay. If the market's gonna dump, it's gonna dump. Only thing I can think of is because it's a seasonal tendency for the markets to run lower going throughout this whole thing. Then October we have a hard rally higher. October, November we have a major run higher. Bro, I remember almost every ICT conference, and it's just the mindset that we aren't. I don't even know what to say. Markets just retracing the discount overall. Full rebalance. Get ready for markets to just blow up, honestly. Um, so yeah, I'm gonna be more bearish biased going into the coming weeks. Maybe an inversion here, hopefully. Not today. On your first funded, be very careful with your trading. Look, when you're on M&Q, you're trading on TradingView, right? So you're gonna be logged into Tradeovate, and whenever you want to enter a position, you're looking for long market where you want to long. Maybe it's a level, maybe it's like a confirmation. And you want to size in your risk. Right click on this, right click on the position tool, press create limit order, and you can change like how much you want to risk in USD. So like if you want to risk $50 and use 2 contracts, it'll show you that. Or if you want to use 1 contract, it'll automatically go $50. You can do 5 and just change it around over here. You can see how much you're risking. I just prefer to keep it in ticks, honestly. Actually, no, let's keep it in USD. But yeah, markets are heavily volatile, so for example, you want to risk 200. Well, you can just change it like this. You can just mess around with it, honestly, until you're comfortable with it, and just send it. Yeah, we've completely lost it. Alright, I'm done trading for the day. No trade today. There was absolutely no reason to force anything. So, I guess I'm just gonna study, add stuff to Black Sheep, and that's really it. Free trial is still open if you guys want it. But you guys take it easy.